It doesn't matter. It's fast as fuck. Hey, it's
Hey. Mana mana. Mana mana. Mana mana.
Hey, it's Jared here. Paul Component Engineering. We're gonna do a little bike check today. I got a Squid So Easy. I've had it for a little over a year now. It's been pretty beat up. Painted it myself. Kind of Crass Records, anarcho punk kind of thing, themed style. We got Bitchin' Bikes, Bull Moose bars. I just got those, and that was the finishing touch on this thing. ODI long neck grips with the T1 bar ends. ODI long neck's probably the best grip ever, in my opinion. We got Paul hubs on Velocity A23s. Ultra Dynamico tires. And fixed, no brakes. Old style Paul crank with the chain wheel. What is that? 165 length. 39 something in the rear, because I don't know gear ratios. I just know how to ride bikes. Merit pedals. I'm a BMXer, not a big wheel biker. We got the Brooks C17 saddle. Paul, tall and handsome. Seat post. Gets the job done. You know, blue lug. And Peace Sports reflector. It goes. Spacers scratched by Danny Boy, custom XVX, because it's the only way to live.